All right, everyone, welcome back. We are going to take a quick look at Solana. So we've been covering Solana here on the 3-day chart, and you can see that from this downtrend, we are trading in this rising channel here. And we could potentially be at the top of it once again here, or we could spike up to the 618 and move up another 14%, hit that 618 here from the high to the low, and then come back down so we could adjust it at that point, of course. So it remains to be seen. If you come up to $70 here and you get stuck, then you're probably coming back down to the bottom of the channel here for a move kind of like this here, to where you're going to come back down all the way down to your 382 area at 30, and you're either going to break below that 382 and break the bottom of this trend line here and do something like this, or you're going to bounce once again and then come back up either to the middle at the 0.5 here, or all the way back up to the 618 here. But if you can break these 618, there's a chance that you're going to be bullish here for a move higher if you break over $70. So $70 is a must breakthrough price, I would say, pretty much now for Solana. There is a good chance that once you come back down, you're probably not coming back up, because from the high to the low, breaking that 618 would be bullish here. And this channel that you're in is not bullish. It's a continuation pattern from this downtrend here. So it is bullish short term in this pattern. So this may have been the low, and this is probably going to be your high. And then this first squiggly line that we have on the chart is probably what's going to play out here, where you're going to come back down. And you may even come down to the middle here at the 0.5, get one more bounce, hit the 618 for a little double top, and then fall off the table at that point. So we've been covering this. We've been mentioning this here on the channel, that Solana's pretty bearish here from the high to the low to the 618. You're in this continuation pattern, and you're potentially going to drop all the way back down to the bottom of the channel at that 382. And if you do not go higher than you are now, the 0.5 is a 25% drop back to 46, and then that 382 down here is a 50% drop here on Solana, back down to $30. But the fact that this is a continuation pattern to the downside, and if this line here plays out, you're looking at Solana here to fall off the table big time. So I just want you guys to be aware of that if it does not break over the 618 here and get over 70 and move up another 14-15% and break to the upside out of this pattern, then she's going to be pretty bearish from here on out, I would say, and it's going to come back down to 46, 30, and then once you break this trend line on the bottom of the channel, that's going to be all she wrote, and she's going to start dropping like a rock. And I would say at that point, look out below. So that may happen. We may get one last chance, if you're a Solana investor, to buy this thing potentially at 30, potentially at 18, potentially all the way back down here at $8, which would be a still of a price, in my opinion, before the next bull run. So we will leave it at that. We update it, every couple of days here on the channel. So good luck, everyone. Not financial advice, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.